go check the water here. So we bought 2 waterers, 1 gallon. It's 65 pesos a piece. This used to be a trough for the pigs when we raised pigs way back. We're just gonna convert that into our, the feeder for the chicken. And then he also bought a big container for the chicken feed. And these are the 2 chicken boxes where the chicken can lay eggs. Look guys, lots of ants here. There are different species. There are different kinds of ants here in the Philippines. This one, I haven't seen this inside the house. I guess they're outside ants. I don't know. Or I would have seen them in the house. These are probably field ants. Anyway, we are ready for the chickens. Oh my goodness. They're all going down. Ants are marching down wherever they're going. But anyway, here's Mr. Spider looking for insects, looking for bugs. So anyway, we are ready for the chickens. We were gonna go and get them last week. I think it was a Monday. Last Monday. Or no. We were gonna go get them last Wednesday, but then it started to rain. And then it rained some more. The next day it rained some more. Even yesterday it rained. Today it's sunny, but then it would be muddy going to the place where we will get the chicken. So we'll wait until it dries a little bit. That way we won't be in a muddy mess. So that's the update for our chicken house. I can't wait to get them so we can start feeding and hopefully get some eggies. So this is Midlife Wanderings. We'll see you on our next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.